correcting errors in a production record. Best practices and guidelines. In the context of correcting errors in a production record, best practices and guidelines, it is essential to emphasize the importance of maintaining accurate production records in the manufacturing process. Properly addressing errors within these records is crucial, not only for clarity but also for ensuring compliance with industry standards. This guide will detail 6 key principles for making corrections in a production record, providing you with a comprehensive framework to ensure the integrity of your documentation. Please be aware that to adhere to these best practices, all records must be maintained using permanent ink, and the use of pencils for this purpose is strictly prohibited. 1. Single line strike-through and correction. When correcting an error in a production record, it's crucial to maintain the integrity of the original entry while making the correction clear. To do this, use a single line strike-through to cross out the incorrect entry. Then, immediately adjacent to the strike-through, write the correction in a legible manner. This correction should be clear and unambiguous, so anyone reviewing the document can easily see the change and understand the accurate information. The single-line strike-through combined with a clear correction ensures that the original entry remains visible, allowing auditors and inspectors to trace the correction back to the source of the error. 2. Initial and date to provide accountability and traceability. It's essential that the person making the correction takes 2 additional steps after the strike-through. First, they should initial the correction, indicating who made the change. Second, they should add the date when the correction was made. This step is essential for auditing purposes, as it allows for easy tracking of when and by whom the correction was implemented. 3. Reason for correction. Alongside the corrected entry, it's important to clearly document the reason for the correction. This explanation provides context to the correction, helping auditors and inspectors understand why the change was necessary. A concise but informative reason statement is invaluable for maintaining transparency and compliance. 4. Legibility. Legibility is a paramount consideration when making corrections. All corrections should be made in clear, legible handwriting using ink. The goal is to ensure that anyone reviewing the production record, whether auditors, inspectors, or team members, can easily read and comprehend the changes. Illegible corrections can lead to confusion and compliance issues. 5. Real-time corrections. Always correct errors as soon as they are identified. This is often referred to as making real-time corrections. Waiting to correct mistakes can lead to confusion and inconsistencies. By addressing errors promptly, you minimize the risk of missing important details or introducing further inaccuracies into the production record. If corrections are not promptly made, errors can be propagated to following production steps or result in non-conforming product. 6. No overwriting. Avoid overwriting as well as the use of correction fluid or tape. Overwriting can make the document messy and unclear, potentially leading to misunderstandings. Correction fluid and tape may raise concerns about tampering or hiding mistakes. It's best to follow the single-line strike-through method and adhere to good documentation practices to maintain the document's integrity and credibility. By following these guidelines for writing corrections in a production record, you contribute to the reliability and transparency of your documentation, making it easier for auditors and inspectors to verify compliance with good manufacturing practices or GMP. If you ever have questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to your supervisor.